as you see, I have a little helper today. So welcome to Cooking with Syl's Mac. And today, you know what we're gonna make?
Yeah.
We're gonna make some chicken. And you know why?
Chicken because it's gonna be for dinner.
Yeah.
For everybody.
Yeah.
And here we go. We got some beef. It's gonna be everywhere if we need.
Yes. Okay, she's such a little cutie. I love her. So, here's the thing though. We're going to make some chicken thighs. But because, hold on, babe. So, because my daughter-in-law is from Crete, Greece. She brought back, yes, and you. Let me introduce my little sweet pea. Number one, this is Ariadne, or as I call her, my sweet pea.
Because her call me sweet pea. And we're going to get everything if we need because we're going to make some chicken nuggets.
Yes, well, sort of, kind of. So, okay, I'm going to finish talking, okay? So, Chryssa is behind the camera, so I actually have a photographer today, and she brought back some goodies. When you guys came back from Greece, you guys brought back some wild oregano, and Chryssa, this is not processed oregano. This is oregano from the mountainside of Crete, right?
That's right. Yes, no process there, and it's just collected straight from the mountain.
Yeah, so take a look at it.
Always.
And it smells divine. And then, hold on, sweet pea. Then we have some sea salt. But please, Chryssa, tell me about the sea salt.
That's also not processed. It's collected straight from the rocks, I guess, wherever they get it from, and it's strong smell. It's quite strong taste. So you just only need a little bit.
Yes, you can see that. See? Okay, so this is what we're gonna do with our chicken. I'm doing this as
we're going to do a chicken, and then we need
little sweet
everything
pea.
of these. Lemon.
Yes. So we're doing a Greek-inspired chicken dish today. So
because
we've
we
got.
have to do it if we can make chicken nuggets with fish.
She is a star. Can I finish? Okay, but I'm going to. Okay, so we've got some Greek olive oil, and more importantly, the Greek olive oil is from Crete. And please pronounce this, Chryssa, because I've been saying it incorrectly. Taste the Bathonia?
Mothiana, which is the village where we have our olive groves.
Yes. So this is like liquid gold. So I put some. Hold on, baby. Okay, but hold on. So I put some Greek olive oil in here. We're going to put some oregano, right? So sweet pea. Yes, okay. Put some in. Nice. A little bit more. Nice. You go, girl. And then we're also going to put some salt in there. So
I know salt.
My little helper's going to help out a little bit more. Okay, because this is strong salt, right, Chryssa? So
it is.
You said less is more.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're also going to put some, of course, some garlic.
I want to put it.
Let me put that in because you put the other stuff in. Can Gigi? She calls me Gigi because I'm her grandmother.
Yes.
But, you know, I can't really be a grandma, so I'm just going to say I'm Gigi, right? Yeah. And then we're going to do lemon. So this is Greek inspired because Chryssa, you said that in Crete you guys cook with a lot of lemon.
We do.
Oregano and olive oil.
Yes.
So we're going to squeeze some lemon in here. Go on and squeeze it. And then what we're going to end up doing is we're going to put this on the grill, on my Traeger grill. Is that a little hard for you to squeeze, honey? Let me help you. Got it? Okay, so now that you've licked your hands, we can't put your hands in here because you licked your hands. I know, but that's, sanitary reasons, okay? Oh, and we're also going to put some pepper in here.
I want to put it.
I'm going to let her put the pepper in, my helper. Put the pepper, shake it. Shake it, girl. I like it a little spicy. That's what I'm talking about. A little more. Good. You're such a good helper. Who loves you? That's right. So then what we're going to do is just kind of let this marinate for like maybe, what do you think? 20, 30 minutes?
Let me do it.
No, because remember you licked your hands. So you can't put it in there because that will really gross everybody out. Okay? It's all about sanitation too. So we're going to let this marinate and then we're going to put it on the Traeger and smoke it.
Because we're going to do that, so we can make chicken nuggets and then we're going to cook cook it there.
Yes, she thinks we're doing chicken nuggets. We're not doing chicken nuggets. But anyway, let's go on out to the grill right now, okay? You ready?
Yes.
Yes, give me a kiss. All right, so now we're outside poolside, right? Sweet pea?
Because we're going, but this is the pool. And now we're staying in the umbrella.
Yes.
And follow me. And this is the
No, we're gonna go this way, honey. Come on. You're gonna be my helper. So we're poolside. Now we're gonna go to my Traeger. So you have to stand back, Sweet Pea, because I don't want you to get burned, okay? And I also don't want DCF to come after me. So I've got my chicken. It's been marinating now for about 30 minutes. We're gonna go on and put it on the Traeger. I decided maybe I'll smoke it for about maybe 20 minutes. I've got it on 200. Let it smoke for about 20 minutes, get some good smoke in there. And then I'm gonna crank up the temperature. We can hear
Because
sizzle a
we
little
also going to make something, and this is the word we can do. And also, my
What she
chicken
said.
is right here. And
Close it up. Get it some good smoky flavor, and then we're gonna crank up that temperature to like 375 and let it cook until it's done. One of the things I like to use is a smoking tube, and you fill it up with your regular pellets, and then you need a butane torch. So you wanna go on and hold this for like maybe 45 seconds to make sure that the flame gets nice and big. Then you wanna let it sit for like 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, then you blow out the flame and you put it into the Traeger. And you put it on its side. And then it's gonna add a little extra smoke to your food, because sometimes I just think, well, with the Traeger, if you go more than 225 degrees, then you don't get a smoke anymore. You get more of it's a convection oven. So with this, you can crank up the temperature to like 300, 400, 500 degrees and have the smoke in there as well. So like I said, after 5 minutes, you blow it out. And then what you do is you put it into the Traeger. And I just put it in the back. On its side, you see that? And you see the smoke coming out. So it just adds additional flavor, a little bit more smoke. Okay, so it's been about 20, 25 minutes, would you say? And I was cooking it low and slow at about 200 degrees and trying to get a little good smoke. Well, here comes my little helper. So now I'm gonna crank up that heat. And Sweet Pea, I'm gonna crank it up to what? Let's do,
the pea.
I'm gonna do 375. You can see they're getting some nice smoke coming out of there. Probably flip them over in a little bit, but we want to make sure that we don't really cook to time. Remember, you cook to temperature. So I want to make sure that the temperature gets to 165. Another good thing to know is that dark meat takes a little longer to cook than white meat. So these are 5 filets, so they're going to take a little bit longer. So once they get to 165, they're done. All right, so it's been cooking. Let's go on and try and look at the temperature, because that's what you want to cook to. Woo! It is smoking hot. You want it to get to 165. This one is at 1. I think that's pretty close, because what'll happen is once you let it rest, meat will continue to cook, and it'll continue, the temperature will raise up at least 5 degrees. So what I'm going to do is go in and take it off the grill. Woo, it smells good. Doesn't it smell good, Crystal?
Excellent.
I'm loving having a photographer here. Let me tell you.
Thank you.
I know, it's been excellent. And now what I decided to do is I want to finish it a little bit with a little lemon. You said to use lemon,
Yes.
right? So
Yes.
this is my Greek inspired.
Wow.
And
Can't wait.
I have a little smoked bourbon sea salt. So I'm just gonna, it's nice sometimes to have a finishing salt. Just to sprinkle a little bit on there. I'm going to take this piece off. Sprinkle a little salt on there. time to eat, right, girls?
Yes.
All right, so let's taste the food.
Yes.
Okay. All right, so now it's time to taste it. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because you gotta taste something and see there.
Yeah. So try it. And I'm gonna try it.
Mm.
It's good. You can taste the smokiness, and that oregano was off the chain, isn't it? Thumbs up from my little sweet pea. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and tell a friend. Right, sweet pea? All right.
Everything from the up, but down.
No, thumbs up. So until next time, cheers.
Bye.